Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to your friend inviting him to spend his summer vacation with you. Let's get started. First write examination hall, city name, then date. Dear friend, I hope this letter finds you in the best of health and spirits as summer vacation is going to start soon. I wish that you should spend a few days with us in Karachi. There are many historical places in Karachi. You can see the sea also. There are museums, parks, and a zoo in Karachi. People come from different parts of Pakistan to see these places. I hope you will surely spend some days of your summer vacation with us. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt. Yours sincerely, XYZ. Write your name. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.